Hi. In this video we will be talking about investing in the future. Watch this video to the end to learn to delve into financial planning strategies for women. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's world, financial independence is more than just a goal, it's a necessity. Yet, despite significant strides in gender equality, women continue to face unique challenges when it comes to financial planning and investing. Whether it's the gender pay gap, career breaks due to caregiving responsibilities, or longer life expectancy, women often find themselves at a disadvantage compared to their male counterparts. However, by understanding these challenges and adopting tailored financial strategies, women can take control of their financial futures and achieve long-term prosperity. Understanding the challenges. Before delving into financial planning strategies for women, it's crucial to understand the specific challenges they face in the realm of investing and wealth management. One of the most significant hurdles is the gender pay gap, which persists across various industries and levels of employment. On average, women earn less than men, resulting in lower lifetime earnings and reduced capacity for wealth accumulation. Additionally, women are more likely to take career breaks or work part-time to accommodate caregiving responsibilities for children or elderly relatives. While these decisions are often necessary and fulfilling, they can have a significant impact on earning potential and retirement savings. Moreover, women tend to live longer than men, which means they require more substantial retirement savings to sustain their lifestyles in old age. Financial planning strategies for women. Despite these challenges, women have numerous opportunities to secure their financial futures through strategic planning and investment. Here are some key strategies tailored to address the specific needs and circumstances of women. Education and empowerment. The first step towards financial independence is education. Women must educate themselves about personal finance, investment principles, and retirement planning. Fortunately, there are abundant resources available, including books, online courses, and seminars tailored specifically for women. By increasing financial literacy, women can make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing their money. Set clear goals. Setting specific financial goals is essential for women to stay focused and motivated. Whether it's buying a home, funding a child's education, or retiring comfortably, women should identify their priorities and establish a roadmap for achieving them. By breaking down long-term goals into smaller, actionable steps, women can track their progress and stay on course despite any obstacles they may encounter. Build emergency savings. Building an emergency fund is crucial for women to weather unexpected financial setbacks, such as job loss, medical expenses, or home repairs. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. By having a safety net in place, women can avoid dipping into long-term investments or accumulating debt during times of crisis. Maximize retirement savings. Given their longer life expectancy, women need to prioritize retirement savings to ensure financial security in old age. Contributing to employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401(k)s or 403(b)(s), is a smart strategy, especially if employers offer matching contributions. Additionally, women can consider opening individual retirement accounts, IRAs, to supplement their employer-sponsored plans and maximize tax advantages. Investing is key to building wealth over the long term, but it's essential for women to approach investing with caution and diligence. Diversification is critical to mitigating risk, so women should spread their investments across a mix of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Moreover, women should focus on low-cost, passively managed index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to minimize fees and maximize returns. Seek professional advice. While self-education is valuable, women may benefit from seeking professional financial advice to develop personalized investment strategies and navigate complex financial decisions. Certified financial planners, CFPs, can provide comprehensive guidance on retirement planning, tax optimization, estate planning, and risk management tailored to women's unique circumstances and goals. Address the gender wealth gap. Recognizing and addressing systemic inequalities is essential for closing the gender wealth gap. Employers can play a role by promoting pay equity, offering family-friendly benefits such as parental leave and flexible work arrangements, and providing financial education and empowerment programs for female employees. Additionally, policymakers can implement reforms to enhance Social Security benefits for caregivers and improve access to affordable childcare and healthcare services. Navigating life transitions. Life is full of transitions, from marriage and childbirth to divorce and widowhood, each with its financial implications. Women, in particular, often find themselves navigating these transitions alone, which underscores the importance of financial preparedness and resilience. Whether entering a new relationship, starting a family, or dealing with the loss of a spouse, women must proactively manage their finances and make informed decisions that align with their long-term goals. Marriage and partnership. Marriage is a significant life event that can impact a woman's financial situation in various ways. It's essential for couples to have open and honest discussions about money, including income, expenses, debts, and financial goals. Women should maintain financial independence by retaining separate bank accounts and credit cards, even if they choose to merge their finances for joint expenses. Additionally, prenuptial agreements can provide clarity and protection in the event of divorce or separation. Parenthood. Parenthood brings immense joy and fulfillment, but it also entails significant financial responsibilities. Women should plan for the costs associated with raising children, including childcare, education, and healthcare expenses. Setting up college savings accounts, such as 529 plans, can help mitigate the financial burden of higher education. Moreover, women should ensure adequate life insurance coverage to protect their families financially in the event of premature death or disability. Divorce. Divorce can be emotionally and financially challenging, particularly for women who may experience a decline in income and standard of living post-divorce. It's essential to seek professional guidance from divorce attorneys, financial planners, and accountants to navigate the complex legal and financial aspects of divorce proceedings. Women should strive for fair and equitable division of assets, including retirement accounts, real estate, and investments, to secure their financial independence post-divorce. Widowhood. Coping with the loss of a spouse is one of life's most difficult challenges, and women who become widows often face significant financial adjustments. It's crucial for widows to assess their financial situation, including income sources, expenses, and available assets, to ensure financial stability in the absence of their spouse. Seeking support from trusted advisors, family members, and community resources can help widows navigate this transition and make informed decisions about their finances. Advocacy and community engagement. In addition to individual financial planning strategies, women can leverage collective action and community support to advocate for gender equality and financial empowerment. By raising awareness about gender disparities in pay, retirement savings, and investment opportunities, women can drive positive change and create a more inclusive financial landscape for future generations. Advocating for pay equity. The gender pay gap remains a pervasive issue, with women earning, on average, less than their male counterparts for comparable work. Women can advocate for pay equity by supporting legislation that promotes transparency in pay practices, prohibits wage discrimination based on gender, and mandates equal pay for equal work. Additionally, women can negotiate for higher salaries and benefits and support employers who prioritize gender diversity and inclusion in their hiring and compensation policies. Promoting financial education. Financial literacy is a powerful tool for empowering women to make informed decisions about their money and investments. Women can volunteer or participate in financial education programs aimed at underserved communities, schools, and workplaces to promote economic empowerment and self-sufficiency. By sharing knowledge and resources, women can help bridge the financial literacy gap and empower others to take control of their financial futures. Mentorship and networking. Mentorship and networking play a crucial role in advancing women's careers and financial success. Women can seek out mentors and role models in their fields who can provide guidance, support, and career opportunities. Additionally, women's professional and social networks can serve as valuable resources for sharing information, exchanging ideas, and advocating for each other's advancement in the workplace and beyond. Supporting women-owned businesses. Supporting women-owned businesses and entrepreneurs is another way to promote economic empowerment and gender equality. Women can prioritize purchasing products and services from female-owned companies, investing in women-led startups, and advocating for policies that facilitate women's access to capital, mentorship, and networking opportunities. By patronizing women-owned businesses, women can contribute to the growth and success of female entrepreneurs and strengthen the overall economy. In the final section of our discussion on empowering women through financial planning, we will explore additional strategies and considerations to bolster women's financial resilience and independence. From embracing entrepreneurship to prioritizing self-care and well-being, women can take proactive steps to enhance their financial well-being and achieve their long-term goals. Moreover, fostering a supportive and inclusive environment that values diversity and gender equality is essential for creating opportunities for women to thrive in all aspects of life. Embracing entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship offers women a pathway to financial independence, flexibility, and creative fulfillment. Whether starting a small business, freelancing, or launching a tech startup, women entrepreneurs can create innovative solutions, generate wealth, and empower others through their ventures. However, entrepreneurship also comes with risks and challenges, requiring careful planning, resilience, and a supportive ecosystem. Developing a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for guiding the trajectory of a new venture and securing financing from investors or lenders. Women entrepreneurs should conduct market research, identify their target audience, assess competition, and define their unique value proposition. Moreover, crafting a realistic financial forecast that outlines projected revenues, expenses, and profitability is crucial for demonstrating the viability and scalability of the business. Accessing capital. Access to capital remains a significant barrier for women entrepreneurs, who often face challenges in securing funding compared to their male counterparts. Women can explore various financing options, including small business loans, grants, venture capital, angel investors, crowdfunding, and government programs targeted at women-owned businesses. Additionally, women can leverage resources such as incubators, accelerators, and networking events to connect with potential investors and mentors. Building a support network. Building a strong support network is essential for women entrepreneurs to navigate the highs and lows of entrepreneurship and access valuable resources and opportunities. Women can join professional organizations, networking groups, and mentorship programs tailored for female founders and business owners. Moreover, seeking guidance from experienced entrepreneurs and advisors can provide invaluable insights and help women overcome challenges more effectively. Prioritizing self-care and well-being. In the pursuit of financial success, it's crucial for women to prioritize their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Burnout, stress, and neglecting personal needs can undermine productivity, creativity, and overall quality of life. Women must cultivate healthy habits, set boundaries, and practice self-care to maintain balance and resilience in the face of life's demands. Establishing boundaries is essential for maintaining work-life balance and preventing burnout. Women should set clear boundaries around their time, energy, and commitments, whether it's carving out dedicated time for family, leisure activities, or self-care. Learning to say no to excessive demands or unrealistic expectations is crucial for preserving mental and emotional well-being. Investing in health and wellness. Prioritizing physical health through regular exercise, nutritious diet, and adequate sleep is fundamental for sustaining energy levels and cognitive function. Additionally, women should prioritize mental health by practicing mindfulness, seeking therapy or counseling when needed, and engaging in activities that promote relaxation and stress relief. Investing in self-care is not just an indulgence but a necessity for long-term health and happiness. Cultivating resilience. Building resilience is essential for navigating life's challenges and setbacks with grace and determination. Women can cultivate resilience by adopting a growth mindset, reframing obstacles as opportunities for learning and growth, and seeking support from trusted friends, family members, or mental health professionals. Moreover, developing coping strategies, such as mindfulness, gratitude, and self-compassion, can help women bounce back from adversity stronger than before. Empowering women through financial planning requires a holistic approach that encompasses entrepreneurship, self-care, and resilience. By embracing entrepreneurship, women can create opportunities for economic empowerment and innovation while building supportive networks and accessing resources to fuel their success. Moreover, prioritizing self-care and well-being is essential for sustaining productivity, creativity, and overall quality of life in the pursuit of financial goals. Through a combination of proactive strategies, community support, and personal empowerment, women can chart their own paths to financial independence, fulfillment, and prosperity. As we continue to strive for gender equality and inclusivity, let us commit to creating a world where all women have the opportunity to thrive and contribute their talents to society. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.